Very good morning, dear students. In previous video, we have studied about the bravery, and this is the same unit, and the next section of that unit section third, National Bravery Award. And today, dear student, today we will talk about those children, those have got the award for their bravery. So there we are talking about the 20 children, those have done well in their life, and they have got the bravery award. Brave children have presence of mind. They are fearless and have an urge to help others. Here it is said that those are the brave children. They have the presence of mind, and every time they are ready to help the others, and they are fearless and very brave. Read about the brave children who have made us proud. Today we are talking about those children, those have done well in their life, and they gave us the thing that on which we can become the proud on them. A 12-year-old boy who played a vital role in identifying the terrorists who planted bombs in Delhi. Today we will talk about that boy who is only 12 years old, and he has helped the police to search a terrorist who has planted a bomb in railway station. एक लड़का जो कि 12 साल का है और उसने उन टेररिस्ट को आइडेंटिफाई किया है जिन्होंने कि बम प्लांट किया था, वो भी दिल्ली में. A 13-year-old who saved lives by raising an alarm over a faulty railway track. एंड एक 13 ईयर का लड़का जिसने कि रेलवे ट्रैक पर जो रेलवे ट्रैक होता है जो कि उसमें फ्रैक्चर था, टूटा हुआ था, और उसने एक सायरन अलार्म बजाया रेल को रुकने के लिए, ट्रेन को रुकने के लिए और उनको वार्न करने के लिए, और इस तरह से उसने बहुत सारे लोगों की जान बचाई. And a 14-year-old who dosed marriage to a 40-year-old were among the 20 children chosen to receive the National Bravery Award 2008. 2008 में जो नेशनल ब्रेवरी अवार्ड दिए गए थे उनमें 20 बच्चे थे, और उन 20 में से एक और बच्चा था जो कि 14 ईयर्स की थी, और उसने एक 40 ईयर के व्यक्ति से शादी करने से मना कर दिया था. इस तरह से उसने एक बहादुरी का काम किया था. The prestigious Sanjay Chopra and Geeta Chopra Award have gone to young Somik Mishra, and for the bravery, the award is given Sanjay Chopra, and the name is Sanjay Chopra and the Geeta Chopra Award. The Somik Mishra has got for his bravery. He was from Uttar Pradesh who foiled a theft attempt उसने सोमिक मिश्रा जो था उसने चोरी की जो वारदात है उसको अंजाम देने से रोका था, मतलब उसने जो थीफ से उनको पकड़ा था. एंड प्राची संतोष सेन ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश हु सेव्ड 4 चिल्ड्रन फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रोक्यूशन. And the next name of Prachi, she was a little girl, and she saved 4 children from the electrocution from the shock of that light. Means जिसने बिजली से 4 बच्चों की जान बचाई थी. Prachi, however, was grievously injured and had her finger amputated. Means she was injured at the time while she was saving the life of that 4 children. At that time she got hurt. उसकी जो उन बच्चों की हेल्प करते समय उसकी उंगलियां भी छिल गई थी और उसको वो इंजर भी हो गई थी, घायल भी हो गई थी. कविता कवर फ्रॉम छत्तीसगढ़ गेट्स द बापू गायदानी अवार्ड पोस्ट्यूमसली. यहाँ हम कविता कवर की बात कर रहे हैं. आफ्टर हर डेज शी गॉट द अवार्ड विच नेम वॉज गायदानी अवार्ड, बापू गायदानी अवार्ड. Along with Seema Kanwar, Kavita had saved the lives of the 3 inmates who were caught in a kitchen fire in the Adivasi Kanya Ashram. That all girls were living in the Kanya Ashram, Adivasi Kanya Ashram. At that time, the fire was cast in their ashram. Fire was caught in their ashram. At the time, that brave girls saved the life of all the students, all the children of there. and but she has lost her life. Asu Kanwar of Jodhpur in Rajasthan was also selected for the Bapu Gaidhani Award. And now we are talking about the Asu Kanwar. She was a girl, and she also got the award of Bapu Gaidhani Award for her bravery. Asu put up a stiff fight against being married off to a 40-year-old farmer for money. As I told you in the starting, in the first para, that a girl who has denied for marrying with an old man, एंड शी वॉज असू. वो कौन थी? असू थी, जिसने एक 40 साल के व्यक्ति से शादी करने के लिए मना कर दिया था और उसने उसके अगेंस्ट एक आवाज़ भी उठाई. द गर्ल अपोज द मैरिज फॉर 2 years, और इसके लिए वो 2 साल तक लड़ी. एंड वॉज फाइनली सेव्ड बाय द इंटरवेंशन फॉर अ सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप दैट इन टर्न अप्रोच द डिस्ट्रिक्ट वुमेन डेवलपमेंट एजेंसी. In the village there are agencies, and some agencies are some agencies are government, and here we are talking about the one of the agency of them, which is district women development agency, and they come forward and they help Asu for not marrying with that man, to get the wedding called off, and she denied for wedding with that old man. She was also awarded for her bravery, because she also denied for marrying with that old man. Balloon seller Rahul, who hit the headlines after he identified the man who planted bombs on Barakamba Road in the national capital on September 13 last year, was awarded for his extraordinary courage. Now we are talking about a boy whose name was Rahul, and he identified those persons, those were as a terrorist, and they have planted bomb on the Barakamba Road in the national capital on 13 September. And he was also awarded for his courage, for his bravery, because he has informed the police while he was selling the balloons. At the time, he informed the police that he has seen some people, suspected people. Rahul, a prime eyewitness to the blast, and this was the blast which was seen by Rahul, and he was an eyewitness for that incident. Provided vital information about the suspects to the police. He was the main eyewitness, and he informed the police for the suspects. His statement helped the police make sketch of the suspects. हियर इट इज सेड कि वो जो राहुल था वो एक बलून सेलर था, और उसने कुछ लोगों को बम लगाते हुए वहाँ पर देखा था, और इस तरह से उसने पुलिस को सूचना दी. जबकि बम ब्लास्ट हुआ तब उसने सूचना दी, और उसने उन लोगों का, उन सस्पेक्ट्स का स्केच भी बनवाया, और उसके थ्रू उन लोगों को पकड़वाया भी, और इसलिए उसकी ब्रेवरी पर उसको अवार्ड भी दिया गया. M. Murudhu Pandi of Dindigul in Tamil Nadu was chosen for the honor for showing presence of mind. Here, one of the child whose name is M. Murudhu Pandi. He was also awarded for the presence of his mind. And alerting railway official about a fracture in the rail track and averting an incident. He informed the police for the fracture of the railway track. उसने जो रेलवे ट्रैक पर जो फ्रैक्चर हुआ था, दैट मीन्स जो रेलवे ट्रैक जो था वो ख़राब था, जिस पर ट्रेन निकलने से बहुत सारे लोगों की जान चली जाती, और इसलिए उसने जल्द से जल्द पुलिस को इन्फॉर्म किया और बहुत से लोगों की जान बचाई, और उसने एक्सीडेंट होने से भी बचाया. 6-year-old twins from Bangalore, Gagan and Bhumika. Now we are talking about the twins whose name is Gagan and Bhumika. That both children, J. Murthy, were rewarded for saving the life of the baby caught in a bullfight. The children, unmindful of the threat to their own lives, rescued the baby even as the crowds watched the bullfight. Dear students, when the bullfight is going on at the time, this scene is very horrible, because there are so many bulls, and the bulls never see here and there, they go on, and so many accidents happen at that time, because this is a very horrible scene. So at that time, that both children have seen a little baby who was caught in the bullfight, एंड दे डिड नॉट थिंक अबाउट देयर लाइफ्स. उन्होंने अपनी ज़िंदगी की परवाह नहीं की उन छोटे बच्चों ने, बल्कि सारे लोग वहाँ पर खड़े होकर देख रहे थे, और वो बच्चे उस छोटे से बच्चे को बचा के लेकर आ गए. सिल्वर करबानी ऑफ मेघालया हु सेव्ड द लाइफ ऑफ हर यंग कजिन ट्रैप्ड इन अ फायर. नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सिल्वर करबानी who has saved her young cousins when she was caught in fire. जब वो आग में फंस गई थी तब उसने अपनी कजिन की मदद की. Was also one of the 20 who got pride of place in the Republic Day parade in New Delhi on January 26 atop an elephant. On the 26th of January, she was also awarded as a bravery award she got. Yumkaiban Adishan Singh from Manipur was chosen for rescuing an 8-year-old from drowning in a pond. Now we are talking about an 8-year-old boy who has saved the life of a boy who was drowning in the pond. एक छोटा बच्चा जो कि पौंड में बहता हुआ जा रहा था, उसकी जान इसने बचाई. While Vishal Suryaji Patil from Maharashtra was awarded for rescuing a woman and her child from drowning. Now we are talking about Vishal Suryaji. He also saved a woman and his baby from drowning in the pond and her child from drowning. Shahenshah of Uttar Pradesh, Dinu Keji of Kerala, Anita Kora and Reena Kora of West Bengal, Manjusha A of Kerala and Hina Qureshi of Rajasthan were also selected for saving people from drowning. यहाँ पर हम इतने सारे बच्चों के नाम बता चुके हैं जिन्होंने बहुत सारे लोगों की जान बचाई थी, बहुत सारे लोगों को डूबने से बचाया था. Manish Bansal of Jind in Haryana, who along with his older brother helped nab armed miscreants who had broken into their home, and Kritika Jhawar of Rajasthan, who also fought off robbers, were among the 20 who were honored by President Pratibha Patil at a reception in Rashtrapati Bhavan. When a reception at the Rashtrapati Bhavan was held, at that time they all were awarded as a bravery award, and that all children in the among of 20 children, those have done the bravery work. And Manish Bansal was also the person who has also a boy who has helped with his brother, and who has helped in the armed miscreants also. And in Rajasthan, as I told you, that Kritika Jhawar, who fought with the robbers, and she also informed the police of the robbers, and she saved herself from drowning. So dear student, this was the story of those 20 children who has done well in their life, and they have not cared for their life, and they have done the bravery work. They were very bold, they have the presence of mind, that's why they have done well in their life, and they have become as they are awarded as a bravery award. मीन्स ये जो बच्चे थे, ये 20 बच्चे ऐसे थे जिन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया था अपनी लाइफ में, और एक बहादुरी का काम किया था, जिससे कि इन्होंने बहादुरी का अवार्ड मिला. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हमें भी कभी भी घबराना नहीं चाहिए, और हमें भी ऐसे ही काम कर देना चाहिए. हमें दूसरों की मदद करनी चाहिए. ये जो इनके इंसिडेंट है, इनसे हमें कुछ सीखना चाहिए और उनसे इंस्पायर होना चाहिए. थैंक यू.